Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing a stunning luxury 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, fully furnished tri-level townhouse for rent. It is located in the prestigious Cherry Gardens at Upper Melwood. It is nestled within an exclusive small complex of only 3 units. This exquisite property offers an unparalleled living experience characterized by elegance, comfort, and modern amenities. This tri-level townhouse boasts a generous floor plan that maximizes space and natural light, with 5 spacious bedrooms, each designed with comfort in mind. This home is perfect for families seeking a sophisticated lifestyle. The interior features high-end finishes, contemporary decor, and the state-of-the-art appliances throughout. Upon entering, you are greeted by a grand foyer that leads to an expansive open-concept living area. The living room is adorned with plush furnishings and large windows that provide breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Adjacent to the living room is a stylish dining area that comfortably accommodates family gathering or entertaining guests. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and elegant countertops, and a convenient breakfast bar. Call today to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this townhouse is US 6,000, Jamaican 946.6 thousand, Canadian 8,588, or £4,663. To rent this townhouse, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.